Our sermon title is A Second Touch. A second touch. If we go to the four Gospels of the Bible, Matthew, Mark, John, and Luke, we are going to find that Jesus did a lot of miracles. Over 30 miracles are recorded in the New Testament. Many of them are recorded in all the four books. Others are recorded in 3 Gospels. Others are recorded in 2 Gospels, and others are only appear in 1 Gospel. This is one of them that is only appearing in the book of Mark. This miracle that Jesus did does not appear in any other book, but it just appears in the book of Mark. Interestingly, Mark is one disciple or writer. One writer that I love so much.